10 requirements for manganese and silicon. Proper requirements of minimum and maximum specifications. There are no other minimums specified for other alloying elements. So, sa carbon steel kay na siya mga subtypes na low carbon steels, medium carbon, and high carbon and ultra high carbon steel. So, ang low carbon kay ginagamit na siya para sa beams, sheets, and structural reinforcement in buildings. So, ang medium kay ginagamit na siya para sa kanyang mga mechanical system components and constructions, and the high carbon o sa ultra high carbon kay para sa mga tools, cutting devices, and heavy duty wires. So sa next is heat treated construction alloy steel. So have more stringent alloying element specifications than carbon steel. They produce the strongest general use structural steels. So, ginagamit na siya para sa kanyang mga skyscrapers, bridges, and industrial frameworks. Next is the heat-treated high-strength carbon steel. So, are brought to desired strength and toughness levels by heat treating.
Metals other than iron and steel are non-ferrous metal. So, non-ferrous metals that are commonly found in construction includes aluminum, copper, lead, and zinc. So aluminum is a versatile metal that is widely used in construction. So it is a lightweight having a specific gravity of 2.7 and has a melting point of 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit or 665 degrees Celsius. It is a soft and ductile with tensile strength of 7,000. Yes,
Ductile.
So when we say soft, ang masagot ay hindi niya ay dali lang siyang ma-cut, ma-shape, or ma-form. And
Pag-ductile.
when we say ductile, it is the ability to deform without breaking. So yung mechanical properties kay nasa elastic deformation 3 times more than steel.
So, good morning everyone. My name is James Conrad Alacana, and this is my short note. So, this standard test methods for tension testing of metallic materials, reference standard ASTM P8/E8M-138. So, ang paano nila kung topic guys na to is about experiment no or test the materials. So, na-explain na before ani na topic is katong sa mga tensile strength gani. We all know na ang tensile strength kay ang atong gina-apply na load kay back, binato na to ang isa ka material. So, kanina test na ang walang kailangan na niya kay is ang area and ang length sa specific area sa cross-sectional area and ang length sa materials. So, muna yung ASTM-P8, no? So, describes tensile testing of metals such as steel or metal alloys. These test methods cover the tension testing of metallic materials in any form at room temperature. Specifically, the methods of determination of yield strength, yield point elongation, tensile strength elongation,